Hello users, welcome to Dialora. Today I'm going to show you how to block a number. So just go to phone number and it is block number, add the number here. So suppose you have buy a number from Dialora. This is your number and you have assigned to this agent. Like any agent. And here I'm getting calls from, this is inbound call, and I'm getting like more than 10 calls from this number. And it is costing my credits also. So I want to just block this number. What will I do here? I will go to phone numbers, add block number, and I have blocked this number, so I won't get a call from this number. So my credits are just stay like here, don't get charged for me. Yeah, so this is a functionality that we have introduced mostly for the inbound calls. Thank you so much.